This is one out of the workshop. It's a Cannondale Adventure 2, originally a non-electric bike, converted professionally by Rebellion Bike to be a UK road legal pedal assist only e-bike. I'm going to talk through some of the mechanical and electrical aspects of this bike in this video so you get a better understanding of it. Everything about this bike is brand new, so the bike was bought brand new in box, and all of the items and components and electrical parts are brand new. So starting up front, we've got 50mm of suspension up front to take out some of the bigger bumps in the road. We've got fat tyres front and back with a street tread. We've got Tektro mechanical disc brakes front and back. We've got an integrated headset. And we've got riser bars, giving it an upright riding position. We've got metal brake levers, which have had these integrated brake sensors fitted. What that means is that if the brakes are pulled in, the motor can't drive you forwards. So if you're weaving between traffic, or if you're slowly trying to control the bike but still pedaling slightly, you can pull those brakes in, just feather them in, and it will stop the motor from driving you forwards. If you don't want any assist, you can just change the pedal assist setting to 0 on the handlebars. So coming to the handlebars, you can turn it on and off using the power button on the handlebars there on the remote. And the screen shows you some key information. It's got the speed, the level of assist, which is 0 to 5, time, trip distance, how long you've been riding for, and the voltage as well as the level. Voltage is useful because this bike cuts out around about 32 volts ish, so you know that when you start getting to that number, it's not too long until your battery's going to turn off. So we've got an integrated stand, we've got a 36 volt 7 amp hour battery, which keeps the battery lightweight and small, easy to remove and carry, easy to charge anywhere you need to. And we've fitted a Gwin Technologies high quality torque arm to the rear, which is just a double fail safe to ensure that rear wheel, which holds the motor, stays where it should be in the dropouts of that bike. Coming around to the other side, you can see the motor on this bike is almost invisible, just hidden behind here. Bafang GO100, 36 volt rated 250 watt motor. It's got a 7-speed micro shift rear mech. It's got a sprung saddle, takes some extra shocks out of the road. And the battery can be taken on and off and locked in place. Although, as always, don't rely on the lock on any e-bike battery for security. If leaving the bike in a public place, always remove the battery. I think that's everything for this one. If you've got any more questions, give us a shout.